Here we go, Pasta Alla Norma, aubergine prep, sliced into nice little half moons and sliced again. Some minced garlic. Excellent technique. Into the pan with the aubergines. So I've just gone for some extra virgin olive oil here, nice and sizzling. You're looking to get them nice and golden brown. There you go, maybe about 10 minutes. More oil into the pan, your minced garlic, pinch of chili flakes going in, a little bit of dried oregano. Stir, stir, stir. Now in with some double strength tomato paste. Good quality tin of tomatoes. The Pulpa brand are brilliant. Muti Pulpa. In with your Penne Rigatoni. Coat the pasta thoroughly. Get the aubergines back in there. Little bit of torn basil onto the plate. Centre of the plate. Nice stack, piping hot. Pasta alla Norma. And then you're going to finish with the Ricotta Salata, which is basically just a salted ricotta, kind of aged, funky, firm, absolutely delicious. A wee drizzle of oil, a little bit more torn basil. There you go, that's your dinner.